Hi guys, so I just got a Fitbit Charge 2 and this is just an unboxing. So the box is fairly put together pretty well. It has all of the information about the Fitbit Charge 2 on the front and the back. Even on the side it has like a wrist measure. As you can see, I already opened it kind of. I just took the sealing off the front. And yeah, on the side it has like a wrist measurer to see if you need a small or large. And yeah, it's pretty cool. So this is just the encasing inside where the actual Fitbit is enclosed. As you can see, the little logo, so you know it's real. So yeah, there it is. I got it just to start the new year off on a good start. And yeah, so that's just the instructions. It's pretty nicely put together. And that's where the charger is. It's a pretty big box, and the charger, I didn't pull it out, but if you look it up, the Fitbit Charge 2 charger is pretty kind of, I don't know, it's really weird. And it's not like if it breaks, it'll be easy to just find a charger. And it looks like really complicated, like something out of space. That's the Fitbit. It's put together pretty nicely. It's really sturdy, durable. Supposedly you can change the handles, or the, I don't know what it's called, the wrist, I guess. You can change the bracelet parts of the Fitbit, like different colors and textures and things. I don't think I'll be doing that anytime soon. I want to keep it nice and sleek and professional, but I'll probably get some more later on once it gets older. And the tape around here, it was really hard to take that off with one hand. As you see, I'm struggling because they really taped it all the way around. I actually, like when I unboxed it, I thought that was the logo on the front, but I thought when you tap it, it would change. So I was wondering, why is it not changing? Oh, it's a sticker. So yeah, you can see the sticker is really hard to get off. So yeah, and that's where you charge it in the back right there with those 3 dots. You connect it to the charger back there. And I guess that's where you can, like, it can feel your pulse, so it does the heart monitor and stuff. So yeah, you can see I was trying to turn it on to see if it had any juice, like, and I think eventually it came on. Or did I have to? I think I had to put it on charge for it to turn on. Oh no, yeah. It eventually came on. So yeah, it basically is telling me to set it up. It's not showing me anything. Like, I tried tapping the screen and pressing the button a couple of times, and that basically did nothing. It wouldn't change. I tried shaking it, but yeah, I had to plug it in because it was basically kind of dead. So yeah guys, this is my review of the Fitbit Charge. I hope you like it. You should go and get it, guys.